What's up, guys? Today we're taking a closer look at the Sony ZV-1. I film a lot of my videos on this camera for my skateboarding channel. Just search Michael Relevant, and then I also got a bunch of videos on this channel about this camera too. Just scroll through the pages and you'll see videos with the ZV-1 and the ZV-E10. This has a stacked backside illuminated sensor, which I think is better than the sensor in Sony's APS-C cameras. So if you're just going to use the kit lens, I would say the ZV-1 is better than the ZV-E10. I think the Fuji APS-C sensor and the XE4 that I'm filming on right now looks a little bit better, but the autofocus and image stabilization in the ZV-1 is better for sure. The autofocus, you can see, is hunting and it's kind of slow in the Fuji system, but it does have a closer focusing. The ZV-1 can't focus quite this close, but it's going to take it a second to catch focus out here, but it will, and it's not breathing too bad. We're filming this on the 15-45 from Fuji. So the ZV-1, you can see it's got a huge microphone, pretty good microphone, and it comes with that wind muff, big record button, and yeah, the grip's okay. It's nothing to talk about. It's tiny, but it is squishy and foam. I hate the microphone jack on the ZV-E10 and the ZV-1. It feels like it's going to break off the little flap there. This XE4 has a better microphone input for sure. It's cool when you open the screen, it turns on and it's got a nice thumb rest there, enough buttons. It's got a big screen. So yeah, it's a good camera. If you're interested in this camera, check out some of my other videos. I've got a lot of videos reviewing it and video samples. I just wanted to do a video with a closer look of the actual size. I don't have very large hands, but you can see it fits in the palm of my hand and it goes in my pocket easily. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Scroll through my page, check out the other videos, and hit that subscribe button for future videos on this camera. Thanks for watching.